Welcome back, everybody, to a Buff-alo pizza. First off, we have the 100% whole wheat tortilla, deliciousness, goodness, gracious, red hot wing sauce. This stuff is so good. And an onion. Onions come from the earth, and they're healthy, delicious. And next we have a knife, a beautiful serrated knife of greatness, and a scale for measuring stuff. That's what it does. And another knife. Jesus, how many knives does this guy have? And next we have the chicken. It's definitely cooked. Make sure you cook the chicken. And we have some American cheese, America, and its friend cheddar, and then its long lost cousin provolone. Provolone's a good man. And next we're gonna clean up our chicken. Just make it, make it look pretty, and cut it in half. And then we're gonna chop it up. Oh, look how beautiful the inside of that chicken is. 38 minutes at 400 degrees will make you perfect chicken. Push that to the side and let's move on to the onion. Onions are beautiful. If you ever seen that movie Holes, onions are a really important part of that movie. They help them survive the desert. Watch this. Oh, half an onion, guys. We're probably only gonna use about 1/4 of the onion, but just chop up half of it. Just do it. And now we have our American cheese. The key here is to just keep chopping. It's better to buy it as by slice instead of by the shredded version because you save 30 calories per serving because they don't have to put in extra stuff to keep it from clumping. So just buy the sliced cheese. Next up, we have all our ingredients. Oh, okay, now the fun part. Oh, that was a knife. Now the chicken. Put the chicken on however you want, but I would rather you do it this way because it looks cool and you can fit on a ton of chicken. That is 6 ounces of chicken. 6 ounces of chicken. That's a lot of freaking chicken. Now just toss on your onions. Put a lot of onions, a little onions, or just the right amount of onions. It doesn't really matter, but it really does because onions add flavor. Now sprinkle that cheese that you've been chopping up for the last 10 minutes. Oh, that cheese. It's so beautiful. 3 different cheeses. It's a cheese party. Man, I want to be invited to that party. Now we have the red hot sauce, the cheese's older best friend. Now, just keep on adding that hot sauce. However much you want, just make it look pretty. No hot sauce on the pan. That was just perfect. Add the rest of your cheese, and now you're golden. Oh, wait, more hot sauce. I totally forgot about that step. Oh, hot sauce. All right, now, another knife. Okay, let's put that in the oven. 425 degrees for 10 minutes. And then a remainder at 450 for at least 8 to 10 minutes, maybe 12 minutes. We get to watch them cut it. That is a whole wheat tortilla. Hear that crunch, that resistance. Oh, look at him. He's just chopping it right in half. He's chopping greatness in half. Just chopping greatness in 8 slices. Oh, he's already eaten half of it. That is how good this pizza is. It is just being devoured by him. Look at him. It's so good that he's just staring off into space and time. He doesn't even know where he is right now. Is this reality? Is this the underworld? Is this the upside down world? He doesn't know. He doesn't care. All he knows is Buff-alo pizza is the way. Look at that Buff-alo pizza. Look at that crust. Look at all that cheese, that chicken. Greatness, people. Delicious.